The air hung thick and still, heavy with the scent of damp earth and decaying leaves.
The Rolls-Royce headlights are cloudy and cracked, with decades of dirt settled behind the glass lenses. Every tiny screw and bolt from the Rolls-Royce interior is sorted into bins, ready to be cleaned or replaced.
The Rolls-Royce car body now stands as a clean, silver metal skeleton, ready to be rebuilt from the ground up. Brand new intake and exhaust valves are seated into the Rolls-Royce cylinder head, gleaming like jewelry.
The Rolls-Royce carburetors are soaked in cleaner, removing the thick, yellow varnish of old gasoline. The Rolls-Royce transmission is cleaned and fitted with new gears, ensuring smooth shifts for the luxury ride.
The stainless steel exhaust headers are bolted to the Rolls-Royce engine, adding a modern gleam to the classic design.
The Rolls-Royce fuel tank is cleaned of rust and sealed with a protective blue lining.
The heavy Rolls-Royce driveshaft is balanced to perfection, ready to transfer power to the rear wheels. The completed Rolls-Royce engine stands finished, a masterpiece of polished metal and engineering.
The Rolls-Royce walnut wood panels are sanded down, revealing the beautiful grain hidden under the old, cracked finish.
Multiple coats of clear lacquer are applied to the Rolls-Royce wood, giving it a deep, glass-like shine.
The Rolls-Royce steering wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched black leather, feeling soft and firm. A fresh cream-colored headliner is stretched across the ceiling of the Rolls-Royce, brightening the interior.
The Rolls-Royce picnic tables are oiled and reattached to the back of the front seats.
The interior of the Rolls-Royce is now a perfect sanctuary of leather, wood, and gleaming chrome.
The Rolls-Royce is hand-sanded again with fine paper to ensure the metal is perfectly smooth for the final color.
Several more coats of blue are added, building a deep, rich color on the Rolls-Royce body.
Brand new white wall tires are mounted on the restored Rolls-Royce rims, looking sharp and classic. The Rolls-Royce is fully assembled, standing as a beautiful monument to classic automotive luxury.
The Rolls-Royce engine settles into a silent, smooth idle, barely vibrating the long hood.
The Rolls-Royce glides into the sunlight, its midnight blue paint reflecting the sky like a deep ocean.
The car drives down the road, the Rolls-Royce suspension soaking up every bump silently.
Wow, that is magnificent.
I know, it just glided past us.
A legend reborn.